Good morning, my viewers and my subscribers. Welcome to BNCM Tuition Center. Today's lesson, we are going to discuss questions that are coming under vectors in paper 1. Without much wasting of time, we have the question that were there in 2023 and 2019. So in 2019, paper 1, GCE, question 6, the question was the vector PQ is equal to negative 3, 2, given that the point P is equal to 1, 4. Find the coordinates of the point Q. So this question, you need to have the concept of position vectors because of the vector that is given, which is PQ. So this vector which is given PQ, we are going to use the same one to develop the question or to develop the equation that is connecting the vectors or the position vectors. So the equation that is connecting these 2 points using the position vectors, you can write, first we write solutions, then we are going to write, this one is under 2019. Paper 1. So we are going to understand the equation which is here. So we are going to draw a straight line to show the position vectors. So this is the straight line, and this line we are going to draw, we are going to put the point here P and Q this side. So this vector, it is like this. This is PQ. So this PQ, we are going to now develop the position vectors. So position vectors, mind you, it is always coming from the origin, which is the center. So you can draw something like this. Draw something like this. So we're going to put center here, which is O, to show the position vectors. So we are given this vector which is PQ, and when you are considering the position vectors, they always run from the center to the point. So meaning you are going to show the lines, the points here, show that the point is coming from O to Q. So this point PO, we are given the point which is here, we are given under P, we have the point which is given as 1, then 4. So this is point under, this is the coordinate under point 1, point P. So this point P, we are going to now draw or write the equation that is connecting these position vectors. So the position vectors for PQ, we are going to write is PQ is equal to, so the position vectors, now we are going to move from P to O, meaning we are going the opposite direction of the vector here, meaning we are going to write P, O, then plus. From O here to Q, we are going in the same direction with the vector, meaning we are going to write again OQ. So, after I have written this, we are told that PQ, we are given the PQ, the points PQ as the PQ, we are given negative 3 and 2. So we are going to write PQ, it is negative 3, 2, is equal to PO. PO, we are given the point P, which is 1, 4. Meaning, now from P to O, we are going opposite direction, meaning we are going to use negative. Then we write the points or the coordinate, which is 1, 4. Then plus OQ, it is in the same direction, but we are not given the vector which is P or OQ. So meaning we are going to write, you can write OQ. So this is the vector we are looking for. So after writing this, you are going to group right terms. We are going to start with this one. We are going to write -3, 2. Then you bring this one. This is a negative here. When it crosses the equal sign to be positive, 1, 4. Then is equal to OQ. So this one, we are given this one now. We have -3 plus 1. So -3 plus 1, it is going to give us -2. Then 2 plus 4, it will give us 6, is equal to OQ. So the vector OQ is equal to -2, 6. Then you can write also, you can say therefore point Q is equal to, or the coordinates of point Q, you can put them in brackets as -2, 6. So this is your final answer. Then let's go to the second question, which is 2023 paper 1. 2023 paper 1. So 2023 paper 1, the question reads, given that OP is equal to 4,13, and the point Q is 16,8, then find vector PQ 2 marks. So this one, if you find the vector, it is in these straight lines, in between these lines, it means that you are finding the magnitude of vector PQ. So when you want to find the magnitude of point of vector PQ, the first thing that you need to find, it is the vector PQ. So vector PQ, we are going to write PQ is equal to, so we are using the position vectors, meaning we have PO plus OQ. So PQ we are not given, but OP we are given here, and this one, it is from the center to O, as the way it is written here. Now when you are writing PO, meaning we have to use negative vector, which will give us negative, then 4, 13, then plus OQ, it is in the same direction, and the coordinates are 16, then 8. So we have negative here. So you can multiply negative times 4, which will give us -4, then plus 16. 16. Then negative times 13, it will give us -13 plus this 8 here. So -4 plus 16, it is going to give us +12. Then -13 plus 8, it is going to give us -6, is it? Okay, it is going to give us negative 5. Mind you, this is paper 1. You have no access to use a calculator, so you have to use your brain. Yeah, so we have 12 and negative 5. So this is the vector PQ. Now the question is demanding us or requiring us to find the vector or the magnitude of vector PQ. So the vector PQ, which is this one, now you need to understand and write the formula from the magnitude. So the formula for magnitude, we are going to write as magnitude of PQ, which is vector PQ, is equal to the square root of point x squared, then plus point y squared. So this is the equation or the formula when you are finding the magnitude of the vector. So from this question that you are the vector which we have found, we have this 12, then we have negative 5. So this 12 representing x value, then this 5 representing y value. So meaning where there is x here, you are going to put 12, and where there is y, you are going to put negative 5. So we have the square root of x, we have 12 squared, plus y, we have negative 5 squared. So equals the square root of 12 squared is equal to 144. Then plus negative 5 squared, it is equal to 25. So 144 plus 25 is equal to 169. Therefore, the square root of 169 is equal to 13. So since it is the magnitude and the magnitude it has the units, as for this question we don't know the units if they are centimeters, meters, or centimeters squared, but what we know is that the magnitude, it is measured in units. So this centimeter or this 13 that we have found, we are going to write 13 units. Why we have written 13 units? It's because we don't know the exact unit for this measurement or for this magnitude. So this is our final answer. So follow for more videos on my YouTube channel, BNCM Tuition Center. We are going to meet that site. Make sure when you go there, you subscribe and you follow the page by liking. Thanks very much. Have a good day.